Hello guys and welcome. This is your math exam coach. Today we have another exciting tutorial as we prepare for different math exams. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, subscribe and share this channel with others. If you're a returning viewer, please make sure that you like and you also share. If you haven't subscribed and you're a returning viewer, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we can grow this community and you don't miss our next tutorial. Today we're going to look at another question that you're going to typically see in your paper 1. This is at the O-level stage. So what does this do? So in this question, you have all the information that you need to solve all the 3 parts here, and of course each part is going to be of different level of difficulty, but we have the full information. So we are given, so what are we given? So we're given that T is equals to KV squared. So everything we're going to do is going to be based on this formula. We're given some values of V, 1, B, and 5, and corresponding values of T for 36 and A. So given that we have the formula for T, we can easily manipulate that formula to get whatever value we want. So we're going to start with the first one, which is A. So it wants the value of K. What is the value of K? So how do we do that? So we know that T equals to KV squared. But we also know that when V equals to 1, T equals to 4, right? So in this case, we have full information except the value of K. So what we can do is to take the formula that we're given, which is T equals to KV squared. So we have 4 is equals to K. We don't know the value of K, but we know the value of V, which is 1 squared. So this is the same as 4 equals to K. Right? So the first answer here, K is equals to 4. So we have A here. We'll figure that one out. So the second question now, saying, given that the value of V is B, the value of T is going to be 36. So we're staying consistent here with our formula KV squared. What we have is the value is 36 is equals to, but now we know the value of K, which is equals to 4 times B squared, right? So times B squared. So now what do we have here? So we have 36 is equals to 4B squared. So what can we do with that? We can divide both by 36. So 36 divided by 4 is equals to B squared. So that means B squared is equals to 9. And in order for us to get B, we are going to, B is equals to the square root of 9. But we know it should be plus or minus. So B equals to plus or minus 3. So that's actually part C. So we know that B is equals to plus or minus 3. Notice here that the question says the values of B. So here we know that for a square root, it can be plus or minus. So this is actually, let me correct that. This is actually C. So we skipped that. We skipped B. but we can go back to B since we have the information. But question B wants us to find the value of A. Right, so again, we still have our formula K V squared. In this case, what A is what we need is equals to, again, we know the value of K, which is 4. That's what we calculated first, and 5 squared. So this is simply A equals to 4 times 5 squared is 25. So this is equals to 100. So we know B, so A is equals to 100. So we've solved for the first, for all the parts here. We found the value of K equals to 4, found the value of C, and we also found the value of A. So this is quite easily done. Make sure that you like the channel, you subscribe to the channel, and share with others as well. I'll see you in another tutorial. For now, goodbye.